chat GPT and hit enter. After that, you see one website called openai.com. Just click on that. The screen will appear after clicking on that. Here is option called try GPT. Try chat GPT. Click on that. No window will open, and after the sign up, you're all set to use the chat GPT. Here are the examples. Here we see the got any creative idea for 10 years old birthday. Then click on send. Here you see the 10 ideas will be generated within a fraction of second. So in this way you can use ChatGPT and set up an account